Hi, I'm Dr. Deepak Chopra and welcome to the ZRI community. For several decades, I have promoted an integrated way of living that increases our well-being in all areas of our life, body, mind and spirit. I have supported ZRI products, as has the Chopra Center, because they fit in very well with a holistic lifestyle. And these products are very well manufactured, and they are based on a very deep understanding of the principles of what we would call systems biology, and also based on Ayurveda, the ancient healing tradition of India, which we pioneered at the Chopra Center several decades ago. This is an opportunity for all of you to derive abundance in your life in all its forms: health, wealth, and well-being in all its aspects, because you're promoting something that improves the quality of life of individuals, families, and ultimately communities. So once again, please feel very much at home in this wonderful ZRI organization and become a part of the ZRI family and the Chopra Center family as well. My friend Bill Farley is going to spearhead this effort all over Latin America, so I welcome our Latin American friends as well. I've known Bill Farley for more than 20 years. I think he's just the right person to take this wonderful message of total well-being to its limits and to spread it across the world. Thank you. God bless. And good luck.